Hi guys, for today's video, bigyan natin ng pansin ang isa sa concern ng ating solid na supporter, si Alfredo de la Cruz. Shout out sa iyo, Dado. Okay, ang request niya is show daw natin yung saan ba galing yung Pythagorean theorem na c square is equal to a square plus b square. Okay, so for this video, we're going to show kung saan ba galing tong c square is equal to a square plus b square, the Pythagorean theorem. Okay? So, saktong-sakto, meron tayo ditong props, no? Prop, patad, no? Ito yung gagamitin natin to show the Pythagorean theorem. This is a square, no? Ito po yung, natawag ito na?
Makeup kit.
Okay? Ito yung makeup kit na yung asawa ko. Ano ba? Basta kayo, pang bag na sanang. So, this is a 10 by 10 square. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, exactly a square. Okay? So, ang gawin natin is, we have to draw a square. Draw tayo ng square. Perfect square na. Oops, ay, ano ba? This is a square, no? A 10 by 10 square. Sorry, putol. Ayan, ano natin. Okay, tapos, inside the square, gagawa tayo ng another square. So, inside the big square, gawa tayo ng square inside it. So, say, 3 by, cut lang tayo ng 3 dito. 3 square. Tapos, dito din, 3 square. Okay. Tapos, connect natin to. Okay. Sorry, wala tayong roller. Kulang tayo sa props. So, connect natin dyan. Okay. Oops, another 3 dito. Cut tayo. Side. So, for example, ito, from this point to this point, A yan. So, A din to. Okay? Kasi pareho lang ang mga measure nila. Tapos ito, A din. A. Okay? Tapos ito, A. No? The formula for Pythagorean theorem is c square equals a square plus b square. Okay, so itong side na to, okay, B. Saka ito B. Tapos ito B. And then ito B din. So, itong square inside, the side is C. C, C, C. Okay? So, ito na. Ito na yung derivation ng Pythagorean theorem. Ito na po yung na-draw natin na square, big square, and then small square inside it. So, kung mapapansin natin, there are 4 equal squares. There are 4 equal triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, isang maliit na square, tapos 4 na equal triangles. Okay? Notice, ang area po ng triangle, area sa triangle po, is equal to 1/2 base times height. Okay? So, ang area dito, 1/2, yung base natin is A, tapos yung height natin is B. So, because this is perpendicular. Okay, again, perpendicular din to. Perpendicular din to. Perpendicular din to. Okay, so, ibig sabihin, dito tayo kukuha ng area. Okay, ito yung base, ito yung height. So, the area of this triangle is equal to 1/2 base is A. Tapos, ang height natin is B. So, the area is 1/2 AB. So, ibig sabihin, this is 1/2 AB, ang area po nito. Okay, since equal po to silang 4, so same lang po ang area nila. So, ang area din dito is 1/2 AB. Okay, ito din, 1/2 AB. Ito din, 1/2 AB. Okay? So, sa big square, itong big square natin, the side is A plus B. Okay? Small side A, tapos ito yung side B. So, ang side po natin sa big square is A plus B. Okay? Ang area po ng square, is equal to S square, no? S square. So, side square po tayo. S times S. So, our S dito is A, our side is A plus B. So, we have here A plus B tapos square. Okay? So, ang area ng big square is, ito na po, A plus B square. Tapos, ang area ng small square natin sa loob ng big square, yung maliit, C, no? C. So, ang area is equal to, the area of the square is equal to C square. Okay? C for side. Yes, C for side. Okay. So, as you can see, ang area po ng big square, ayan, is equal to the sum of the areas of the four triangles and the small square. Okay, so compute natin ang area of the big square, okay, is equal to the area of the four equal triangles, no? 4 po ito 4 triangles. 4 triangles. Okay. Plus the area of the small square. Area of the small square. Okay, ayan na po. So, area of the big square, ito po yung area ng big square. Since the side is AB, therefore the area is A plus B square. Okay? And that's equal to the area of the 4. So, 4 po sila, 4 triangles, times the area is 1/2 AB. 1/2 AB. Okay? Plus the area of the small square, which is C square. Okay? Plus C square. Okay? So, solve na natin sila, no? Ang A plus B square, this is a square of binomial. So, the formula, ang answer po dito is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay? This is a perfect square trinomial. Galing po to sa special product. Okay? Pag-research na lang po, sum of binomials. Okay? Square of binomials. Square of binomials. Alright, so let's continue. 4 divided by 2 is exactly 2. So 2 po, 2 na lang. Tapos 2 times 1 is equal to 2 times AB, so 2AB. Okay? Plus C square. Okay? So now, is notice, meron tayong 2AB on this side, meron din tayong 2AB on the other side. So, ibig sabihin, this is just equal to 0. Okay? So, we have to subtract 2AB both sides of the equation. So, we have A square, properties of equality po tayo, plus 2AB, ayan, minus 2AB, okay, plus B square is equal to 2AB minus 2AB, okay, plus C square. Okay? This is equal to 0 na. Okay? Ito din 0 na siya. So, therefore, ang natira na lang, A square plus B square is equal to C square. Okay? So, ito na po yung Pythagorean theorem. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Okay? Note po, Pythagorean theorem is only applicable for right triangle. So, ito yung right triangle. Ito yung right triangle, right triangle, right triangle. So, ito yung A, B, at saka C. So, according to Pythagoras, the square of the hypotenuse, C, is equal to the sum of the squares of the two legs. Thank you.